Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, power off the Wii and unplug the console from its power source completely. Next, decide whether to place the sensor bar above or below the TV. Position it centered and about 5 feet from where you will stand. Clear the area of cables and electronic interference like Wi-Fi routers or cordless phones. Keep the sensor bar cable untangled and routed safely away from foot traffic. Confirm you have the original sensor bar cable and the console power cable ready and accessible. Turn the Wii so its back panel is visible and accessible. Locate the small rectangular port labeled Sensor BAR on the rear of the console. Take the sensor bar cable and align its connector with that port. Insert it gently until it seats securely. Route the cable along the console edge and under the TV stand to prevent kinks and tangles. Avoid running the cable alongside power bricks or heavy power cords to reduce interference. Leave enough slack for future adjustments and for safe unplugging. Reconnect the Wii power and plug the console back into the outlet. Power on the Wii and check that the sensor bar's tiny infrared status lights glow faintly at each end. Open Wii settings from the main menu and navigate to the sensor bar configuration screen. Select whether your bar sits above or below the TV and follow the on-screen calibration prompts. Hold a Wii remote and point it at the screen. Adjust the sensor bar position until the pointer tracks steadily and accurately across the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.